Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 63 County Road, Unit 1, Seekonk, Massachusetts. It's a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour of the front entrance when you walk in. Huge living room area here. High ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. Apartments on the corner of Fall River Avenue, County Street. Make our way down the hallway. To my left, bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen set, possibly king. Bedroom number 2, also big enough for a queen or king set. Build walk-in closet there. Make our way down the hallway. Got a big pantry closet to my right. Refrigerator, electric stove, plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Goes to back entrance and shared laundry machines. Take a step up here, go to the bathroom, a shower, no tub, a vanity. I'd like to apply for 63 County Road, Unit 1, Seekonk, Massachusetts. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.